So, yes, Alhamdulillah, the Sahar is done. I am not feeling well actually, but still, let's fast. Anything for the sake of Allah never goes wasted. 4:30 and 4:24 is the Fajr time, so I'll go offer my salah and I'll go back to sleep. I'll recite Quran and then I'll go back to sleep because I have office to wake up with and my health is not good. So yeah, I'm tired. But yeah, let's go and pray. So this was the morning. I got up, I freshed up and got ready for the office, and I went to office. It was the day of Arafah. The fasting, Alhamdulillah, it went really very good, and I didn't feel that I'm fasting at all. So after doing my work and everything, it was Zohar time, so I obviously came to offer my Zohar prayer, and after praying the Zohar namaz, I finished up my work, and then I went out to have the iftari. Yeah, for iftari I didn't have too much. I just had dates and then dahi vada, and then I had some watermelon juice, and that's all I had for the fast. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that you get notification as I upload my video. So guys, Eid Mubarak to each and every one. Yes, it is currently morning, and I'm about to go do all the household works, do everything. So I'll complete and then meet you guys. So this is the traditional puri that we make during the Bakrid. That is this orange puri along with the mutton salna. Here is my fridge, all the magnets will be there, and this is how the puri looks like. It is actually so yum. But yeah, Bakrid or Ramzan, whatever it is, without this thing it is incomplete, right? Yes, I'm talking about this yummy and delicious Eid biryani. So we got this from Arshad Biryani, and it was actually really flavorful and good. Yes, I couldn't shoot a lot of things. The vlog is also too small, I understand. I was really occupied with a lot of things, and I don't have anybody to shoot for me. So that's the reason whenever I got bits and pieces of time, I just took and I shot. So guys, after having a wholesome lunch and took some break along with lot of works, right now I'm heading out, of course, to give the kurbani meat to the relatives. So let's go. So during Eid, it is actually good that we give the kurbani everything, and then we go to the relatives, friends home to give them the meat. So yeah, that is what we do on Bakra Eid. By the way, I like my scarf, like my shade. These are very grumpy roads, so let's go.
जाने में मात्र बदला है खाने के पहले 300
So guys, after giving the meat everything, I came home, freshed up just for a little while, just for a while, and now I'm heading to a function. So today is a very jam-packed day. So almost reached the location. Let me go and meet you there. So this was Hotel Savera, and they had the veg buffet. A lot of yum options were also there, and look at my plate. I really had a really good meal, and sweet, of course, dessert is mandate. And then after this I went back home, and a lot of relatives and cousins had come, so I was busy with them. So thanks for watching the mini vlog.